Good day everyone, my name is Lumbera Kurt Russell M from NS1A4. Ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng assessment number 5. Scenario, you are going to determine the waypoints to use along the Great Circle Track or GCT from latitude 35 degree north and longitude 007 degree west to latitude 39 degree north and longitude 074 degree west. So, next step is kailangan natin kunin yung departure position at arrival position niya. So, in the departure position, we have latitude 1 degree, latitude 1 equivalent of 35 degree north and longitude 1 equivalent of 007 degree west. Ang arrival position naman niya is latitude 2 is equal to 39 degree north and longitude 074 degree west. So ang next step is ima-minus natin. So ba't ima-minus? Kasi pag different name plus same name minus. So i-minus na natin. So ayun ang kalabasan. So 35 degree minus 39 degree is 4 degree. Ayun na yung dilat natin. 4 degree north. Then, kabila na ma-minus natin 007 degree minus 074 degree is 67 degree west. Then, ang next step natin is kukunin natin yung cosine great circle distance. So, ito yung formula. Ang formula ng cos GCD is cos latitude 1 times cos latitude 2 times cos dilo plus or minus sin latitude 1 and sin latitude 2. So, i-ano natin dyan, ito muna. So, sa cos latitude 1, meron tayong 35 degree west. Tapos, paano nakuha yung 0.81915? Ang lalagay mo sa calculus, i-ano mo lang sa calculator is, pinitin mo is cos latitude, cos 35 degree, tas lalabas na dyan yung 0.81915. Then next naman is, ang latitude 2 natin is 39 degree. Paano naman nakuha yung 0.07715? Ang gagawin mo is cos 39 degree, tas lalabas na yung 0.77715. Then next is ang dilo natin na 0.67 degree. Tapos ang gagawin mo dyan is paano makuha yung 0.39073 is pipilitin mo sa calculus cos 0.67 degree. Yung lalabas dyan. So ang gagawin natin dyan is ita-times natin lahat. So wait lang. Pag tinimes natin lahat, ito yung magiging sagot. 0.24874. So next step is yung kabila naman, yung sin latitude 1, we have 35 degree. So paano nakuha yung 0.57358? Ilalagay mo sa calculus sin 35 degree. Lalabas na dyan 0.57358. Next naman is paano nakuha yung 0.62932? Yung ilalagay mo sa calculus, ang pipindutin mo sa calculus sin 39 degree. Lalabas na yung 0.62932. Tapos ito-times natin kasi ayun yung ano doon, yung parang formula times. So pag times yung dalawa, ito yung maging sagot 0.36097. So next step is ipa-plus natin yung nakuha nating sagot. So, yung 0.24874 plus 0.36097. So, lalabas dyan is 0.60971. So, next step is distance angle. Paano nakuha yung distance angle? Ang lalagay mo sa ang pipindutin mo sa calculus is, di ba, pag nakuha nyo yung 0.60971, pag nakuha nyo na, ang pipindutin nyo sa calco is shift, cos, answer is equal to degree. Shift, cos, answer is equal to degree. Ang lalabas dyan is 52 degree, 25 minutes, 53.27. So, may butal na 53.27. Ang gagawin mo is divide mo 60. So, ang lalabas niyan is 0.88 or 0.9. Kasi, run off natin. So, magiging distance angle mo na is magiging 52 degree, 25.9 minutes. Next step is, kukuhin natin GCD. Ang formula niya is distance angle times 60. So, ayan, yung distance angle natin is 52 degree, 25.9 minutes times 60. So, ang lalabas dyan, ang GCD natin is 3,145.9 nautical mile. So, next step is, kukuhin natin yung initial course. So, ano nga ba yung formula ng initial course? So, ang formula ng initial course is, sin initial course angle is equal to cos latitude 2 times sin dilo divided by sin distance angle. So ayun na. Cos latitude 2 is equal to 39 degree. Paano nakuha yung 0.7715? Ang pipindutin nyo sa calculator is cos 39 degree. So, lalabas na dyan yung 0.7715. So, next naman is yung dilo. Sin dilo. Paano naman nakuha yung 0.92050? So, ang lalagay nyo sa calc is sin 0.67 degree. So, ang lalabas dyan is 0.92050. Then, pagka-times natin dalawa, in here, kapag-times natin. So, ang maging sagot is 0.71537. Then, next step natin is yung sin distance angle. So, ang sin distance angle is 52 degree, 25.9 minutes. So, paano nakuha yung 0.79263? So, ang pipilitin mo sa calculator is sin 52 degree, 25.9 minutes. Yan, lalabas na dyan yung 0.79263. Then, next step is itong sagot na to, then ito, i-divide natin. So, 0.71537 divided by 0.79263 is equal to 0.90253. So, bakit northwest? Kasi yung latitude to natin is north. Then, yung ano natin, yung distance angle natin is west. So, next step is kunin natin yung eto na. So, pat northwest because ganyan nga. Then paano naman nakuha yung initial course angle na 64.493? So, yung gagawin mo is yung sagot ng 0.92, yung sagot na 0.90253, ang gagawin mo is, ang pipindutin mo sa calc is shift, sin, answer. Then, lalabas na dyan yung 64.493. So, meron tayong quadrant rule. So, ang quadrant rule natin is, pag northwest, 360 minus course angle is equal to true course. So, dahil northwest, yung ano natin, sign natin is 360 minus yung initial course natin na 64.93, 64.493, may ma-minus natin. So, maging sagot is 295.507. So, maging initial course natin is 295.507. So, ang next step is kukunin natin yung final course. So, paano ba kunin yung final course? Ito yung formula. Sin final course angle is equal to cos latitude 1 times sin dilo divided by sin distance angle. So, ayan. So, cos latitude 1 is equal to 35 degree. So, ang pipindutin mo sa calcu is cos 35 degree. So, ang lalabas dyan is 0.81915. So, dito naman, sin dilo natin is 0.67 degree. So, paano nakuha yung 0.92050? Ang pipindutin mo is sin 0.67 degree. So, after nyan, ito times natin. So, ito yung sagot. 0.75403. Next step is, kunin natin sin distant angle. We have 52 degree, 25.9 minutes. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is, para makuha yung 0.79263 is, sin 52 degree, 25, sin, ang pipindutin sa calculators, sin 52 degree, 25.9 minutes. So, lalabas tayong 0.79263. So, next step is, didabid natin yung dalawang answer kanina sa answer dito. Na 0.75, ito yung answer kanina na 0.75403 divided by 0.79263. And then, ang maging sagot is 0.95130 southwest. So, ang final course natin is 72.045. So, paano naging 72.045? So, yung answer nito, eto, ang ilalagay mo sa calculator is 0.95130. Diba, ito lalagay mo, 0.95130. Pipindutin mo is shift, sin, then answer. So, lalabas na itong 72.045. So, ayun na yung final course angle natin. So, may quadrant rule. Then, diba south? Then, southwest yung ano natin, sign natin. So, ang southwest sa quadrant rule is 180 plus course angle is equal to true course. Then, i-ano natin. So, 180 plus 72.045 is equal to 252.045. So, ang final course natin is 252.045. So, next step natin is hanapin natin yung latitude vertex. So, paano ba hanapin yung latitude vertex? Ito yung formula natin. Cos latitude vertex is equal to latitude 1. So, ang latitude 1 natin is 35 degree. Cos latitude 1 natin is 35 degree. So, ang pipindutin niyo sa calculator is 35 degree. Ay, cos 35 degree. So, magiging sagot is 0.81915. Then, yung sin initial course angle natin is 64.493. So, lalagay nyo is sin, then sin 64.493. So, lalabas na yung 0.90253. So, times natin. So, maging sagot is 0.73931 north. Tapos, ang latitude vertex natin is, so, paano makuha itong latitude, latitude na itong mid-degree? Ang gagawin mo dyan is 0.73931 shift, cos, answer, then degree. So, lalabas na yung 42 degree, 19 minutes, 38.38. So, may butal na 38.38. Gagawin natin yan is divide natin 60. So, lalabas is 0.6. So, maging sagot is, maging latitude vertex natin is 42 degree, 19.6 minutes. Next step is, kukunin natin difference longitude vertex. So, ano yung formula niya? So, ang formula niya is, sin dilo vertex is equal to cos initial course angle divided sin latitude vertex. So, ang cos initial course angle natin is 64.493. So, ang gagawin mo dyan is cos, para makuha yung 0.43062, gagawin mo is, ang pipindutin mo sa calculators, cos 064.493. Then, ang ating sin latitude vertex is 42 degree 19.6 minutes. So, paano makuha yung 0.667336 is, ang pipindutin mo sa calculus, sin 42 degree 19.6 minutes. So, ang ano dyan is, ito, i-divide natin. So, pag dinivide, ito yung magiging sagot. 0.63951 west. Natin na 0.63951 is gagawin natin degree. So, paano natin gagawin degree? Ang pipilitin nyo sa calculator is shift, cos, answer, and degree. Isulat nyo muna yung 0.63951, then shift, cos, answer, is equal, plus degree. Then, ang magiging kalabasan niya is ito. Magiging ano niya, sagot niya is 37 degree 45 minutes 19.05. So, may butalo 19.05. So, divide natin 60. So, magiging sagot dyan is 0.3. So, magiging difference longitude vertex natin is 39 degree 45.3 minutes. So, next is, we will now track the great circle and every 10 degrees. So, first, kailangan nating ilagay ang arrival position, which is ang latitude 35 degree north and longitude 007 degree west. At ang arrival natin na latitude 39 degree north and longitude 074 degree west. So, nilagay natin yung 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 until abot na 74. So, meron na ako dyan sagot na 36 degree 0.7.2 minutes north. So, paano natin nakuha yan? So, una, gagawin natin is, i-minus natin yung longitude 0, which is 0.007 degree west, and longitude 1 na 0.010 degree west. So, bakit minus? Kasi, pag same name, minus, and different name, plus. So, minus na natin. So, lumabas is 003 degree west. So, next step is yung difference longitude vertex, which is 39 degree 45.3 west. So, minus natin siya sa 003 degree west. So, ayun na maging sagot. Ang Dilo vertex natin is 36 degree 45.3 minutes west. Minus lang natin yung dalawang. Ito, minus lang natin to. Saka ito. So, ito yung lumabas. So, next step is, para makuha na yung sa latitude 1 natin is, tan latitude vertex is equal to cos Dilo vertex times tan latitude vertex. So, ang cos Dilo vertex natin is 36 degree 45.3 minutes, which is ito. So, paano makuha to? So, lalagay mo sa calculator nyo is cos 36 degree 45.3 minutes. Then, ang tan latitude vertex naman natin is 42 degrees 19.2 minutes. So, paano naman nakuha ito? Lalagay natin sa calc natin is tan 42 degree 92.2 minutes. So, ang lalabas dyan is 0.910778. So, itong dalawa, times natin kasi andun yung sa formula. Times natin yung cos Dilo vertex times tan latitude vertex. So, pag times natin, maging sagot is 0.72972. So, itong 0.7972 is gagawin natin degree. So, paano natin gagawin degree? Pipilitin nyo lang is shift tan answer degree. So, ang lalabas dyan is latitude. Ang magiging lalabas dyan is latitude 1 is equal to 36 degree 07 minutes 8.32 minutes. So, may buto na 8.32. Ang gagawin natin dyan is, divide natin 60. So, pag dinivide 60, ang magiging sagot is 0.2. So, magiging latitude 1 natin is 36 degree, 0.7.07.2 minutes north. So, ayun yung ano natin. Ayun yung latitude 1 natin. So, next step, kukunin naman natin yung latitude 2. So, given is longitude 0, which is 007 degree, 0.0 degree west. Bakit ayun lagi? Kasi constant yan. So, hindi na, diba? Next is long 2. Hindi na siya long 1 kasi kailangan natin mabuo yung simula 0 hanggang 8 na table. So, kaya long 2 na gagamitin natin. So, long 2 is 0 to 0 degree west. So, pag same name is minus and different name is plus. So, kaya ima-minus natin. So, 007 degree minus 020 degree west is ang dilo natin is 13 degree west. So, ang dilo vertex natin is 39 degree 45.3 minutes west. So, then constant din yan. So, ipag-minus natin 13 degree west minus 39 degree 45.3 minutes west. So, the answer is, ang dilo vertex natin is 26 degree 45.3 minutes west. So, next step is tan latitude vertex is equal to cos dilo vertex times tan latitude vertex. So, eto na here. Cos dilo vertex, which is 26 degree 45.3 minutes. Then, paano makuha yung 0.89294? Ilagay nyo sa calc nyo is cos 26 degree 45.3 minutes. And ayun nilalabas, 0.89294. So, next one is tan latitude vertex. So, which is 42 degree 19.6 minutes. So, ganun din. Para lumabas yung 0.91078, ang pindutin nyo sa calc nyo is tan 42 degree 19.6 minutes. So, lalabas na yan. So, nakasulot dito is pabag times natin yung dalawa. Ang cost, ang dilo, and tan. So, pabag times natin yung dalawang to. So, ang sagot is 0.81327. Then, next step is, para makuha mo to, ang lalagay mo is 0.81327 shift tan answer equals and degree. So, lalabas na yung 39 degree 07 13.76 minutes. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. I-divide natin siya sa 60. So, ang magiging sagot is 0.2. So, ang latitude 2 natin is 39 degree 0.7 degree 39 degrees 0.7.2 minutes. Hindi na siya hindi na to degree. Buburahin ko lang. Hindi na yung degree. 39 degree 0.07.2 minutes north. So, next step, kukunin naman natin yung course and distance ng number 1. Pakita ko sa inyo paano nakuha tong course na 291 and yung course na 295 and distance na 161.43. So, we have a course 1 and distance 1. So, first, kailangan natin yan yung latitude 0 na 35 degree north and latitude 1 na 36 degree 07.2 minutes north. So, diba, pag different name plus and same name minus. So, gagawin dito yung minus natin. So, So, 35 degree north minus 36 degree 07.2 minutes north is equal to, dilat natin is 01 degree 07.2 minutes north. Then, next step is times 60. Lagi natin tatandaan na ang dilat ay ito times sa 60. So, 01 degree 07.2 minutes north times 60 is equal to 67 degree 12 minutes or 67.2 minutes north. Ayan ang dilat natin. So, next step is wait lang. Next step is kukunin naman natin yung dilo, which is yung longitude 0 na 7 degree west at longitude 1 na 10 degree west. So, pag different name plus at ang same name minus. So, minus natin. So, 7 degree west minus 10 degree west is equal to 3 degree west. Ayan yung dilo natin. So, next step, ang dilat sa dilo, laging tatandaan, times lagi sa 60. So, 3 degree west times 60 is equal to 180 minutes west. So, next step is, ito na yung MP. Kuha natin yung MP. So, MP is equal to log, open parenthesis tan, open parenthesis latitude, divide 2 plus 45, close parenthesis, times 7915.7 minus, open parenthesis, 23.3 times sin, open parenthesis, times latitude, close parenthesis. So, i-apply natin ngayon yan. So, ang latitude, yung MP1, which is latitude 0, para makuha yung para makuha to, i-apply nyo to dito sa 35 degree. So, pag yun sa calc yan, mo yung MP1, i-apply mo to dito sa scientific calc. So, pag na-apply mo, lalabas dyan is 2,230.92. Ganoon din dito sa latitude 1 natin na 36 degree 07.2 minutes north. I-apply mo to dito. So, magiging sagot niyan is sa MP2 natin 2,330.16. Then, ima-minus natin. So, maging DMP is equal to 82.24. So, next step is kuha natin yung true course natin. So, ano yung formula sa true course? Ang formula sa true course is tan course angle is equal to dilo divided DMP. So, dilo natin is 180 degree, 180 minutes west. Then, ang DMP natin is 82.24. So, di-divide natin. So, ang maging sagot is, ang tan course angle natin is 2.18872. So, hindi pa yan sagot. Ang gagawin mo dyan is, yung 2.18872, pipindutin mo sa calculator is, shift tan answer is equal to course angle na 65.44 northwest. Bakit northwest? Because dilat is north and dilo is west. Then, we have quadrant rule. So, ayan. Ang northwest is equal to 360 minus course angle is equal to true course. So, 360, natin. Bibring down natin. So, 360 minus 65.44, which is ito, is equal to 294.56 or 295. So, ayun yung true course natin. So, ang formula ng distance is equal to dilat divide cos course angle. So, ang dilat natin kanina is 67.2 divide cos 60, yung course angle natin is 65.4. So, distance is equal to 161.43 or 161.4 nautical mile. Ayun yung distance natin. Nakuha natin sa table yung latitude 1 na course na 295 at a distance na 161.43. And I gave you another example na sa number 2, which is na 291 and 509.2. Kukunin natin yan. 2 and distance 2. So, latitude 1 natin, 36 degrees, 0.72 minutes north. At ang latitude 2 natin is 39 degrees, 0.72 minutes north. So, ima-minus natin yung dalawang yan. So, kakalabasan is 3 kasi diba, pag same name, minus, different name, plus. So, ma-minus. So, sagot is 3 degrees north. So, laging tatandaan, laging times 60. So, 3 degree north times 60 is equal to, dilat natin is 180 north. So, yung sa MP1 naman, ito yung formula dyan. So, etong 36 degree, i-apply mo to para makuha mo yung MP1. So, pag-apply mo, makuha mo yung 2,313.16. Then, ito yung sa number, sa latitude 2 naman, i-apply mo to dito ulit. Then, makuha mo yung MP2, which is 2,509.50. So, ang next step natin is ma-minus natin yung MP1 sa MP2. So, maging DMP is equal to 226.34. So, sa longitude naman, longitude 1, which is 010 degree west, at longitude 2 na 020 degree west. So, ganun din yan pag same name minus at different name plus. So, D-long is 010, so minus natin. So, magiging sagot is ang D-long is equal to 10 degree west. Then, times 60 ulit. Times 60 kasi tawag dyan, constant. So, times 60 ulit. So, 10 degree west times 60 is equal to D-long of 600 minutes west. So, next step is kuha natin true course. So, again ulit, tan course angle is equal to D-long divide DMP. So, ang D-long natin is etong 600 minutes west divide 226.24, which is ito. So, tan course angle is equal to 2.65088. So, hindi pa yung sagot, diba? Gagawin natin dyan is lalagay mo sa calc nyo is 2.65088 shift tan answer equal to course angle is equal to 69.33 northwest. Etong lalabasan nito 69.33 northwest. Bakit northwest ulit? Because dilat ay north and ang dilo ay nasa west. Then next step is quadrant rule kasi northwest. Ano ba yung north sa northwest? Sabihin sa northwest, 360 minus course angle. Ano ba yung course angle natin? Ang course angle natin is 69.33 northwest. So 360 minus 69.33 is equal to 290.7 or 291. Ay yung true course natin. So next step natin is yung distance. And ulit, distance equal to dilat divide cos course angle. So ang dilat natin is ito. So 180 degree north. So lalagyan natin 180 minutes times cos 69.33, which is ito. Distance is equal to 509.2 nautical miles. So, tingnan natin kung tama. So, nakuha natin yung course na 291, which is ito. Then, yung ano natin na 509.2 nautical mile, which is ito. And, paano naman nakuha yung total distance naman yung lahat? Kailangan nyo munang buuin or kumpletuhin lahat ng ito. Kumpletuhin nyo muna para nyo makuha nyo ang total distance. So, paano ba makuha yung total distance? I-plus nyo lang tong 161.43 plus 509 plus 2, 509.2 plus 499.5 plus 420.8 plus 439.3 plus 452.8 plus 467.5 plus is 194.3. So, total mo lahat yan. Ang total distance na natin lahat is 3,144.8